What about it? Explain once.
It is the partition plane. X-axis and y-axis divide the partition plane into the quadrants. It is the first quadrant. It is the first quadrant. It is the second quadrant. It is the second quadrant. It is the third quadrant, and it is the fourth quadrant. First quadrant, in the first quadrant, the x and y values are positive. In the second quadrant, the x value is negative and y value is positive. In the third quadrant, x and y values both are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x value is positive and y value is negative. By using this partition plane, we can easily draw the points on the plane.
Okay, very nice. 0, 0 belongs to which? It is origin. Which belongs to which quadrant?
It does not belong to any quadrant.
Very good. That's nice.
Place